Today we're with Adele, and what do you want to draw, Adele?
A mermaid.
A mermaid. That could be hard. Why do you like mermaids?
Because they're colorful and they can swim.
It's a good reason. Let's get started. Okay, first we're going to draw the mermaid's head. Like by drawing this sort of upside down U. Okay, good job. And then next, let's do a flower. Don't they have like flowers in their hair?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so right around here, we're gonna, I hope that looks like a mermaid flower. Very good. Now coming off of the flower and coming down to this line here, we're just gonna do a simple, see that? Great. And then on the other side, we're going to do another one, and it's going to go like that. Cool. Now at the top, the hair, sort of right around here, the top of the petal, we're going to make a big line. Okay, and then on the other side, we're going to come from about the same spot. We're going to come out and come like this. Looking good, looking good. Let's do our eyes because the eyes are a lot of fun. And if you want to make your mermaid extra cute, you can make the eyes far apart. That tends to help make it cute. And if you want to make it even more cute, make them really big. Okay? So we're going to make some big circles. Right about there. Okay, let's do the pupils of our eyes. And I like to make the pupils big too, because that makes them pretty. And then our shines, we're going to make another 2 circles inside of the circles. So there's 1 and there's 2. And we want to have them lined up the same way on both eyes. On the other side, do the same thing. And then color in everything but the circles. Do you know? But I like to make a little mouth, and I'm going to put it right there. That turned out nice. So below the neck, we're going to make a sort of like a top of a heart shape.
Mm-hmm. Right here?
Let me see. Yeah, you can make them like right about there, yeah. Okay, now on the bottom of the heart shape, you're just going to kind of, instead of making a heart, you're just going to make it like that. Cool. Okay, now underneath here, we're just going to start there and then go down just a little bit. All right, now over here, we're going to make a V shape. Great. Now, right above where the V shape turns, let's do that. Make it's kind of, I don't know what you call that, but it's sort of the fin that comes off the top of the fin. Do another one on this side to make sort of another heart shape. Very cool. Now with the arms and the neck are all going to sort of flow together. Mm-hmm. And we're going to have her hands behind her back to make it. So you see that? The line just kind of ends right there. And then on the other side, we're going to do the same thing. Look at that. That's great. Done a good job so far. Now you can make the tail start by drawing a curved line, and you can make it curve wherever you want. And on the other side, we're gonna have the curve come out a little bit, but come back in. That's great. That's really good. Perfect. And for the fins of the tail, I like to draw them like a leaf. But if you make the end come out a little bit, and then we're going to overlap the leaf. I'll show you. Okay. So start a little bit higher than where the fin ends, and then draw a big leaf there, and then another one on the other side. Ooh, that's great. And if you want, you can make these little borders inside. All right. Now let's connect the hair. And then try to make it look like it's... If you want, you can give your mermaid a little nose, but you can also leave it out. I kind of like the nose. Let's do, so starting from here, we're going to make these lines coming up for the seashells. And the best way I know to do it is to sort of start there and make a line, and then make another line from the same spot, another line from, like sort of like sun starbursts. That looks good. And if you want, you can even make texture in your hair, or you can do that with your colors. The same thing goes for the scales underneath. And if you want to make scales, you can do it with the black marker, or you could do it with colors. But let's do it with the black for now. So we're going to go like this and make these U shapes. And underneath, make each point for the next row hit the middle of the one above it. You see that? So they overlap. You can make them smaller if you want as they get towards the bottom. And they don't have to be perfectly lined up. Nice scales. All right, now if you want, you can put some, I want to put some bubbles just kind of coming up, just to remind everyone that we're in the water. And if you want to put little shines on your bubbles, it's super easy. You can just make another little oval right on the top left edge. It makes these little, and if we want to show her at the bottom of the ocean, I'm going to put a little ground here. But yeah, let's do it. So I'm going to make a wavy little line coming right there.
Do like some seaweed.
Yeah, seaweed. And we're going to put some seaweed. So the way I'm going to draw seaweed is I'm going to make these curvy lines coming up, and then on each curly line we're going to make these little leaves coming off of the line. These look good. What do you think? Are we missing anything?
Fish.
Let's draw a fish. So maybe she has a little fishy friend right up here. I'm just going to make a super simple fishy friend. Maybe another fishy friend too. Those are happy fish. All right. Oh, I forgot. This is going to really bring our mermaid together. Eyelashes.
Oh.
Just 3 little. Oh, now she's extra pretty. That's what she was missing. And if you even, and I'm going to make mine just. Oh, she's smiling. Big smile. What do you say we color this mermaid? Wow, I love your mermaid. Was that a fun one?
Yeah.